days did the Mahabharat war last? A. 16 days, B. 18 days, C. 20 days. Correct answer is B. 18 days. How many teeth does a monkey have? A. 28, B. 32, C. 36. Correct answer is B. 32. Which country has named a flower after Modi? A. Singapore, B. Japan, C. Australia. Correct answer is A. Singapore. Which animal lives in water but does not drink water? A. Frog, B. Fish, C. Whale. Correct answer is B. Fish. Which river is known as the Niger? A. River in Africa, B. River in Europe, C. River in Asia. Correct answer is A. River in Africa. Which country is the largest producer in the world? A. China, B. USA, C. India. Correct answer is A. China. Ghumar is the folk dance of which state? A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. What is the residence of the President of India called? A. Parliament House, B. Rashtrapati Bhavan, C. Rajghat. Correct answer is B. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Which emperor wore different colored clothes on all 7 days of the week? A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Humayun. Correct answer is A. Akbar. When was the atomic bomb dropped on Japan? A. In 1943, B. In 1945, C. In 1947. Correct answer is B. In 1945. On which river is the Bahakar Nangal Dam situated? A. Sutlej River, B. Ganga River, C. Yamuna River. Correct answer is A. Sutlej River. Dhanraj Pillai is associated with which sport? A. Cricket, B. Hockey, C. Football. Correct answer is B. Hockey. What is the most favorite color among humans? A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green. Correct answer is B. Blue. When did the first Battle of Panipat take place? A. In 1526, B. In 1556, C. In 1761. Correct answer is A. In 1526. Where is the Lingaraj temple located? A. Konark, B. Bhubaneswar, C. Puri. Correct answer is B. Bhubaneswar. What is the average lifespan of an elephant? A. 40 years, B. 60 years, C. 80 years. Correct answer is B. 60 years. In which state is the Rat Temple, Temple of Rats, located in India? A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Rajasthan. How many players are there in a cricket team? A. 10, B. 11, C. 12. Correct answer is B. 11. People of Pakistan are not allowed to visit which country? A. India, B. Israel, C. USA. Correct answer is B. Israel. In which sea is no fish found? A. Dead Sea, B. Arabian Sea, C. Red Sea. Correct answer is a Dead Sea.